Since its premiere on the Discovery Channel in 2012, Fast and Loud has been considered a standard-bearer in the realm of automotive reality television shows. The amazing automotive modifications and restorations that Richard Rawlings and his team at the Gas Monkey Garage were known for were the centerpiece of the event. Their garage was known as the Gas Monkey Garage. This television program has made an unmistakable impression on the category it belongs to throughout its remarkable run of 16 seasons, which will continue until the year 2020. You must be curious. December 2020 that Fast and Loud would not be coming back. Rawlings revealed that he had cut ties with the Discovery Channel when Rogan asked him about the cancellation of the show. This suggests that there will be no more seasons or episodes of Fast and Loud in the foreseeable future. The silver lining is that Rawlings continues to be active as a public figure, primarily through his YouTube channels titled Richard Rawlings and Gas Monkey Garage. These channels are loaded with interesting content that includes a wide variety of topics, such as car builds, garage events, collaborations with other automotive lovers, and more. It would appear that a significant number of Fast and Loud followers have transitioned over to Rawlings' YouTube platform, which currently has more than 1 million subscribers. But what about the other significant players in Gas Monkey Garage? Let's find out. Aaron Kaufman, who played a key role in Fast and Loud and drove a race vehicle on the show, parted ways with Rawlings in 2017 due to personal conflicts between the two of them. After he left, Kaufman opened his own automobile modification shop in Dallas, Texas, called ArcLight Fab, which specializes in Ford F-100 builds. He named the business after himself. Unfortunately, Kaufman's own show, Shifting Gears with Aaron Kaufman, was only on the air for a single season before it was canceled. Along with Jordan Butler, another famous member of the crew, Tom Smith, who was well liked for his sense of humor, was terminated from his position at Gas Monkey Garage in 2014. After that, they had roles in the TV show Misfit Garage, which ran for 2 seasons between 2014 and 2016. Smith continues to perform stand-up comedy for audiences at various clubs in Dallas at the present time. Scott McMillan, who is currently employed at Scott Rod's Garage in Fort Worth, Texas, is able to appear on the television shows Fast and Loud and Misfit Garage because of his connections with Kaufman. Christy Brimberry, who served as the office manager and had a significant off-screen role in the production of Fast and Loud, was responsible for handling everything from the ordering of auto parts to making sure that everyone was paid. Bravely battling cancer, Brimberry went through treatment in 2016, and in 2017 she was given the all-clear from the disease. The majority of Jason Akers' time on the show was spent working behind the scenes as a highly talented mechanic. He continues to be employed in Arizona, where he is loving both his new career and the surrounding hiking trails. Another one of the former employees of Gas Monkey Garage, Keenan Kenny Hans, is still involved in the automotive industry and uses social media to talk about his passion for tattoos and vehicles. David Phipps, surprisingly, is the only member of the original crew who is still working for Gas Monkey Garage in 2023. Even though he was only shown sporadically on the show, he is the employee who has worked at Gas Monkey Garage the longest. To summarize, even if the group from Gas Monkey Garage has separated, each person continues to pursue their passion, which keeps the spirit of Fast and Loud alive. It is quite evident that the legacy of the event continues to live on through them, and the automobile customization and restoration industry is better off as a result of their efforts. There is no doubt that their going their separate ways at a time when they were both in need of growth was the wisest decision. We want to thank you for spending some time with us. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another video. In addition, we have carefully selected the following videos for you to watch next. You can talk to us across all social media platforms or ask a question in the comments section below. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you again tomorrow.